Hello students, I am going to discuss about the heavy water. Heavy water is D2O, deuterium oxide. Firstly, it was discovered by a scientist, Urey. He is an American chemist. In the case of D2O, the deuterium isotope of the hydrogen is present and it is combined with the oxygen and form deuterium oxide. In the case of deuterium, atomic number is 1 and atomic mass is 2. Generally, the ordinary water or the scientist Urey, he showed that the ordinary water contains traces of D2O. Means D2O is also present in the ordinary water but in very trace amount. In a trace amount means 1 part in 6,000 parts of water. Methods of the preparation are the preparation of heavy water. Generally, heavy water is prepared from either prolonged electrolysis or by fractional distillation. First method is by prolonged electrolysis. If we electrolyze the water, we also know that it also contains some amount of deuterium oxide. So, the principle for that, this prolonged electrolysis is when ordinary water is electrolyzed, protium means the isotopes of hydrogen means 1H1 is liberated much more readily than deuterium. Deuterium means D2, atomic number is 1 and mass number is 2 because of the following reasons. First reason is that the size of being smaller in size. H plus ions have greater mobility or speed as compared to D plus ions. Second reason is because of the lower discharge potential. Means H plus ions are discharged at the cathode more easily than D plus ions or deuterium ions. Third reason is hydrogen atoms combine much more rapidly to form molecular hydrogen means H2 than do deuterium atoms to form From the above reasons, as the electrolysis continue, the concentration of heavy water gradually increases. If we continue or if electrolysis is continued till only a small volume remains, then almost pure deuterium oxide is obtained. By this method, about 29,000 liters of water must be electrolyzed to get 1 liter of 99% pure deuterium oxide. So we can also see that deuterium oxide is present in a very trace amount or in a trace amount in the water. For this electrolysis, electrolytic cell is used. In this, a steel cell is used. It is an electrolytic cell. It consists of a steel cell which is the 45 centimeter long and 10 centimeter in dia, and this steel cell is act as a cathode and the anode is a cylindrical sheet of nickel with a number of holes punched in it. It is a nickel sheet and it acts as a anode. We fill the water in it and we connected this with the battery, and here there will be some exit for the gases which is produced after electrolysis like hydrogen, and the heavy water manufacturer in India are, it was manufactured at Nangal in Punjab and at Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Trombay, by the electrolysis of ordinary water.